Welcome back to the workshop, folks. It's been a while. Let's see if I still know how to make a video. This one's just going to be another quickie about the benefits of a marking knife. Had this little scrap come up, thought it was cool, and wanted to share it with you. One of the reasons we use a knife wall is that it severs the fibers of the wood. In this case, I had a knife wall. This is the scrap. I had a knife wall coming down across all four sides, and you actually can see where I sawed down and the wood came off, this scrap came off at the knife wall before the saw completely obliterated everything, and you actually have this little sliver of wood left. Anyhow, I thought that was a pretty cool demonstration of how the knife wall works, how it severed the fibers so that you're not sawing through the back side or the far side of the piece and tearing things out. Again, this is the scrap side, but the actual workpiece came out super clean. So I just thought that was a good example of how the marking knife not only makes a nice fine line and something you can register against, but it also severs the fibers of the wood, preventing tear out. Thanks for watching.